I'm Wendy.
I'm Steve. And this is Pippin.
And together we're the Happy Travellers.
We've come out for a bit of an ordinary day today. We're doing the laundry, would you believe? And it's right in town, just behind the tourist information, which is down on the seafront, just beyond those buildings there. And we're in this very, very nice laundry here. Wendy's getting all the bits and pieces. We packed up three or four bags, isn't it? It's loads of washing we've got to do. And we've got there's two very big machines here, which are 17 kilos for €12.50. You can pay by cash there, or you can pay by card here. There's also a small machine, 10 kilo machine for €8 here. And above each one is a tumble dryer. It's all very nicely decorated. It's all bright white, nice. It gives you all the instructions here. Sorry about the flickering of the lights. Yeah, so lots of instructions there. Tells you all about it. This particular laundry in Lestarty is called waterproof. It's quite small, but it's got 3 machines and 3 dryers, 3 washing machines and 3 dryers in it. And there's two of those 17 kilo massive machines. Well, we need that because we're doing a lot of we're doing the spare bedding and taking the opportunity for such a large machine to wash the duvet as well. We don't wash that often. Don't think there's any need to really, but we're taking the opportunity of such a large machine, getting everything done. It's a bit of a walk, like it's like a 15-minute walk with all those heavy bags. I'm going to pop inside now. We need to choose the machines and then pay for them. So pretty simple. Chosen a hot wash on this one for $13.50. Now we need to go around there, choose those 2 machines. Wendy's getting the card out and initiate. It's, yeah.
I'm just changing it to English.
It's number 2 and 4.
They've even got Welsh with that, isn't that good?
Oh, English. There you go, start. Pay here. 2 and 4. 2, that's it. 17 kilos, close the door. Yeah, go to payment. Yeah. That's that one. $13.50. Go to payment. That's it. And now put your card there. That's processing.
Oh, there's some beeping around here.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay.
Oh, it stopped. Okay.
There we go. So now we're going to do the same for number 4. Yeah, go to payment. That's it. Go to payment. Put the card on. Thank you. Then it's okay. There you go. And then you just press the start button there. Yeah. And we're on 27 minutes.
And it can't be opened before the machine ends.
Huh?
No one can come in and open it and take your washing. So you can go and have a coffee.
Yeah.
Whatever. Before. Good. So 17 kilos for €12.05, but we had it on hot, so it went to 13.
Yeah.
Yes.
That was pretty easy. Come out of the laundry, turn left. That's down towards the bars. So there's a little sort of Englishy looking place where we're gonna pop down, have a coffee, and then wait for our time. when we have to go and collect the washing. But you know, the weather's, it's not the hottest of days. There's some blue sky up there. You know, we're happy. The sunshine's sort of trying to creep out behind the clouds there, which is quite nice. But we like these little, almost back alleys that we can walk down. This is essentially a roadway, and the cars can come down here. And it has little shops, parking spaces for people. There's holiday apartments, I think. Yeah, for sale or rent. And as we come round this way, we come out onto the seafront again. There's a lot of prep for the Three Kings celebration. And here we are, the little
Look if they're open.
the little cafe. So we should pop in here and get some coffee. Oh, this is Kim's. Kim's Rails, yeah. Oh, we've got t-shirts. Cocktail girls. Huh.
Just happy.
What do you want?
I just want a
Coffee?
con leche.
Coffee con leche, chocolate and churros. Yeah?
Churros?
Yeah.
You can sit down there if you want.
Yeah.
The biggest.
Oh, bigger. Yeah, sure.
That's it. That's great. Thank you. I've decided to have a hot chocolate with churros. I don't really need the churros. I've already eaten breakfast, but I thought it was quite a Spanishy thing to do, so that's what I'm doing.
So we've done all the washing and drying, and I think it came to about
Which is not bad.
and that is they've come out smelling lovely and soft. The soap powder and cleanser and that was included in the price. So anyway, while it was doing, we went to the spa shop because today is the 5th of January and it's the Three Kings tomorrow. So everything is shut tomorrow. So we just got. I got a couple of bits for Pippin's dinner. I need to cook this up. I've got some chicken breast.
Half. That was $4.86.
Yes. There wasn't any choice. It's a local spa. There was no other. There wasn't frozen chicken or anything else. No.
Well, it looks quite nice.
So
Though.
that's that. And I got
The sweet
got
potato.
And that was €1.29. Yeah, she had only the best for our princess.
Yeah.
And then
And you bought some.
these I thought were quite expensive. I've got 4 oranges. They were $2.99, so it's about £2.50.
Yeah.
You'd think they might be cheaper, but I guess they're very nice
quite
ones.
nice, yeah.
They're obviously they're local oranges. And then we got the King's cake.
There's a special cake.
Yes. And it's in a nice little box actually. It looks as though it's posted. Look, can you see the? So you can write the address there.
Yeah.
And there's a little little postcard that comes with it.
It's got
Yeah.
it's got a little Spanish thing on it.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll.
Yeah.
There it is. I'll see if I can translate that and put it on.
Yeah.
There's these 3 Kings stamps.
Yeah.
Wasn't it?
And it was they were kept in the refrigerator in the spa. So I will obviously keep it in the fridge until we cut it. There it is. I think it was about 1:30, and they only had 5 cakes left. So yeah. So that's good. So that's what we're doing. So we shall have that tonight. And yeah. So we look forward to cutting the cake and seeing what's inside it. We'll probably do it tonight or tomorrow. So thanks everybody for watching and happy King's Day if you're in Spain.
Yeah.
Or anywhere, yes.
We
Thank you.
see you
Yeah.
again in the next
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, bye-bye everyone. Thank you for watching this.